Today we're gonna make Santa Claus slime and it's gonna smell like candy cane. And I just wanna make it now. We're gonna put the glitter glue in. So what? Desha, since it's really fun and it's fun to squish the glue out, I think you can have it turn. But wait, soon. Your turn. Take a try. Okay. When I did this, it was really fun. It's fun? Yeah. A little hard? Whoa! See how big I do it? Now you're gonna make it scented to smell like candy cane. You smell it? It smells delicious. That's like your toothpaste. It smells just like the candy cane Santa gave us last year. No, that's like mommy toothpaste for me. Now I'm gonna add the water in. If you wanted to stir, maybe there's a second time you can stir, or you want to turn. Maybe turns. Yes, that was nicer, right, mommy? It's all jello-y. I guess just like glitter jello. I guess I want to turn now. Take a turn. Taste. It smells good. I love it. It's gonna smell good. I just can't stop smelling it. I'm going to put baking soda in. Guys, I cannot stop smelling it. Too good for the last time. I'm going to put shaving cream now. Let's make it more red. Santa la. This is gonna look like Santa. Ooh, it's becoming red. Well, you have a little dog. Can you hold the bowl? So at this side, you go to that side. More red. It's gonna be pink. It's way now pink. It's gonna turn red since you put some more after being pink. Here, I think it's your turn to stir it. Stir it really good. Don't get it on my hands. See how fast I am? Oh, very fast. This. Ooh. You're more going to look ready to lava, right? It might look like lava or a fire or a hot smoke from a fire. Whoa! Coffee's ready from a pink. Guys, this is turning out really very red. We need to start adding our laundry detergent a little bit at a time for a little red dye. Now turn it. What is it do? That's just really good. If it's too sticky, you add a little bit more laundry detergent. They're all holding. Ooh, it's a little hard. Why don't you try too? Okay. Just don't, please don't drop it. I still can't move it. Oh, look. I'm doing this with this part. And it's knocking. strong I am. See? Move. Someone hold the ball for me. Oh yeah. Oh, here's your hot dog. I don't know how dog like that, Pink. Yeah. Happy birthday, Toto. Now, carrot. Now it's character time. Do help. My favorite characters are Bowser and Bowser Jr. because they are amazing to me. My favorite character is Mario. Yeah. I think Jessica likes Donkey Kong a lot. I love Donkey Kong. Maybe the. Hey, I got my Bluetooth rest of the night. It made my handprint. Dang. Wario, I'm a villain. Why are you playing in my kid's slime? I just wanted to take a little bit. Wahahaha. I'm gonna make a slime hat. That's what I was thinking of. What? You can make your own duck slime. Make my own slime? Yeah. Why do you even have to steal my kids? There's a ton so I can. No! Wait, or else I can fire. Ooh. Ooh, you can also make it with your girl. Hey, look. Oh, hey, Bowser, look. Stretch my. Clean my vest. Now I'm gonna get my bowl. Section of my bowl, please. What you do? Not on my Bella. I forgot what I said before. One thing I said is more Bowser toys because I like Bowser toys. And on the golf and the Bowser and the castle called Bowser Castle. Stretchy. This what I want. Your scarf for me? You like your shirt?